shit. Things are flying around the container. Trees falling. That's the Ernesto hurricane inside a shipping container home. It seems safe. We are welded and straight in like deep foundations, but it is intense. But still, shipping containers are made to like cross the ocean through hurricanes, right? So in between a shipping container and regular house, I prefer to be inside shipping container. I would be better out of the island, but I'm here. I am staying here all the time. So yeah, shipping container survives hurricanes, even if it's a little bit scary. But we are safe and no damage in the container. We are strong and we are safe. I hope you are all safe, but for you to understand how a shipping container home works, it is intense. Storms and hurricanes are always intense, but we're doing good and we're safe. No damage. Stay safe, be well. Love you all. Bye bye.